Wanna use WhatsApp on your PC but cannot scan the QR code? No need to worry. In this quick video, I'll show you how you can log into WhatsApp without scanning the QR code. So, let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open WhatsApp on your PC. You can use this trick on WhatsApp web as well, so follow along. Once WhatsApp loads up, click on Get Started. Now, here, you'll find the link with phone number feature. Click on it. Now, click on this box and choose your country. Then enter your phone number here and hit Next. Here, you'll find a code to log into your account. Now, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Then tap on the three-dot icon, then tap on Linked Devices. After that, tap on Link a Device. Now tap on Link with Phone Number instead from the bottom of the screen and enter the code from your PC. After that, you will be logged into your account. Easy, right? So guys, that's how you log into WhatsApp without scanning QR code on your PC. If the video was useful, smash that like button. And if you want more content like this one, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.